Today, I'm going to make Japanese Oyakodon chicken and egg ball. First, let me introduce the Japanese ingredients I'll be using today. Japanese white rice is short grain or medium grain rice. It is sticky when it's cooked, making it easy to pick up with chopsticks. Many Japanese dishes are seasoned with soy sauce, sugar, mirin, and sake. Dashi is used in powdered form. Hondashi is the most well-known brand. Since Hondashi has seafood in it, vegetarians can use Chinese mushroom seasoning instead. You can also use Western-style bouillon. The difference is that shiitake gives the dish an authentic Asian flavor. All of these seasonings are readily available on Amazon. Please refer to the links in the description of this video. Alright, let's cook. First, I'm going to cook rice. In Japan, people usually cook rice in an electric rice cooker, but I have been cooking rice in a saucepan for 8 years since I moved to the US, and it's actually very easy. Measure 2 cups of rice. Wash it in water. I usually wash and rinse the rice 2 to 3 times. Add 3 cups of water. Bring water to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce heat to low and cook for 18 minutes. When the rice is done, keep the lid on and let it steam for extra 5 minutes. Mix the whole rice well. In the meantime, let's cut ingredients. Thinly slice the onion. Cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Vegetarians can substitute tofu for chicken. Next, I'm going to mix sauces and seasonings together. 2 tablespoons sake, 2 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon dashi. Crack 3 to 4 eggs. Add some oil in a frying pan. Add chicken and cook for a few minutes. When the chicken starts turning white, add sliced onions. Stir fry for a few minutes. When the onions are becoming softer, add the mixed sauce. Cover the pan and steam for 4 to 5 minutes. When the chicken is well cooked, add 2/3 of the beaten eggs. Cover it and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the rest of the beaten eggs. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. When the whole eggs looks softly cooked, turn off the pan. Place rice in a bowl and top it with the cooked ingredients. You can place parsley, cilantro, or green onions for decoration. That's it. Enjoy your meal.